Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to walk you through how to download a TikTok application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to download TikTok on your PC, the first thing you'll need to do is get an Android emulator. You can only download the application with the help of an Android emulator, since the Android emulator stimulates Android devices on your computer so that you can test your application on a variety of devices. Which means all of the applications that are available on your Play Store or your App Store will be available on your PC if you install the Android emulator. You can download any Android emulator that you find. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator. Download it on your device and simply click it open. Wait until the Android emulator loads. Now, from the home screen of BlueStacks, go and click on the Play Store option. In order to reach this page, you might be asked to enter your Google account's credentials. Simply type it in and you'll end up in this page. Go to the search box and type in TikTok and search. You'll be able to find the application in the search display. Click on Install in order to download the application. The download process might take a while, depending upon your internet speed. Once it downloads, wait for it to install. After it is downloaded and installed, click it open, and with this you'll be able to use TikTok on your PC as well. Go ahead and sign up for a new TikTok account or log into an existing account and get started. That is how you can easily download TikTok application on your PC. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.